Hello, all. I hope everybody's doing good out there from being isolated and confined and all of that. Today, I'm going to try to make a video on showing you how to do a very nutritious, delicious, and cheap meal. My two main ingredients are eggs and your favorite ramen noodles and eggs. And today we're going to start. I'm going to show you some of the ingredients that I used. We're starting out with ginger, garlic, spinach, onions, carrots, beans, mushroom, and cabbage, and cilantro. Okay, you can do this however you want. You can put whatever ingredients you want and you can do it. So I'm going to try to show you how to do this. We're going to start with the ramen noodle. We're going to cook the ramen noodles, just the noodles, not with the package, and then I will add the package later to get the flavor. Okay. Heat the water. The water is boiling. I'm going to add the noodles to the pot. Let it boil for 3 minutes. Okay, cut the eggs up, right? And keep them here. We're gonna add them to the noodles later. Okay, the noodles are finished. I'm gonna turn them off and I'm gonna drain them. I want some of the water from this noodle. Okay, I'm going to add some of the hot water to the packages, to the contents of the packages from the noodles, and I will add that later. Okay. Noodles are cooked. Now we'll put it all together. Take a pan. Add some olive oil. Let it heat for a minute. Add some onions to the pan. Now, at this point in time, you can add whatever ingredients you like, whatever vegetables you like, anything that you like. You can add things that you don't like, don't put it in. Okay, so we're putting in some onions here. These are the aromatics. Let it sweat it a little bit. Add some ginger. If you want, you don't like ginger, don't put it in. Add some garlic. I'll let that cook for a minute. At this stage, I'm going to add my vegetables. I have mushrooms. Let that mushroom sweat a little bit. I'm going to add some carrots. Add some sweet peas, green peas. So that's it for a minute. Now add some spinach. At this stage, we're going to add the mixture from the packages that I mixed with the hot water. So this will give it some taste. This is all your spices back in here. Let it cook for a second. Now that the water has boiled out, I'm going to add my noodles back in. So here goes my noodles. Just keep stirring it up so we can get the vegetables mixed in. At this stage, we'll add the eggs. That's the eggs that I fried. This is getting ready to be eaten. Okay, I'm going to turn the heat off. Turn the heat off. Add a little bit of, what is this, cabbage? Cabbage on top, just as a garnish. Add a little bit of cilantro on top. Remember, this is for your taste, so add whatever you like. Okay? And now we're ready to plate it. So here we go. A meal fit for a king. Thank you. I hope you guys enjoy this. It's a very cheap and very nutritious and delicious thing. You add what you want. The two main ingredients here was eggs and ramen noodle. All right, enjoy.